Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox a phone case that we received from Amazon, and we bought this during the Amazon September 2025 sale. Cat's here, curious to see what's happening. This is a nice bottle green case, all wrapped up in cover. The mobile phone that this is for is Samsung Galaxy M06 5G. So let's open this. Here we go. Alright, nice green color case, and you can see it also has this magnetic flip that attaches and locks in the case. You can see inside it's kind of a leather type of a material. There's plastic. Let's put our mobile phone into the case and see what it looks like. Here we have our Samsung M06 that we again bought it during the Amazon sale. Let's put it inside this case. Here we go. Right, looks like we gotta be putting it like this. Yeah, fits in perfect. Let's quickly wipe the mobile phone from getting rid of all the smudges. And here we go, brother. Looks cool, isn't it? That was the unboxing of our Samsung M06 mobile phone case. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.